Hey, Egg Teacher Christmas here. I am connecting the pink tree. So I've got a tree with pink or white base and pink lights. It's down over my shoulder, and I am creating a wiring harness that's going to run to that. All four of these channels run to the same tree, but one of the things I got to make sure is I've got the weight supported so that it's not pulling on my dongles on my control box. So I'm going to do some strain relief over here. I'm going to bundle those up there and tie them off to the deck, and then they won't pull it down. So I've got to bundle all those cords up, and I'm going to tie them off to that post so that they don't continue to pull the cords down. So zip ties, again, is how I'm going to accomplish that. Grab it nice and close. Zip tie. Zip tie under. Tighten it up. Got to get you out of the way. Now let's see what I can do without. Maybe we'll do this back to this one here. Give us a little bit more strain relief. There we go. Got a little bit of strain relief there. Which means now this series of cords here is not pulling too hard on that. They're kind of resting. Well, let's go connect the rest of the pink tree together. Okay, so we have our cords coming down the side of the house, and we've got to get them around over here and to our pink tree. Now I do have the pink tree plugged in right now. You might be able to see those lights, but when you've got something like this where the plugs have been wrapped down to the base, it's important to know which plug goes to which, so it's easiest to be able to plug and unplug those so you can see which one goes on and which one goes off, so you know which channel is which. I've also got some green cords over here. And I'm going to use those to connect up to my cords, which are right down in here. And we'll get those hooked up, and then we'll have our pink tree all connected. So I did a little bit of a workaround for me for a numbering system. On my cords, they're all the same identical exact cord. So I put zip ties on the ends to tell me which one is which channel. So my first channel has no zip tie, the second channel has one, the third channel has two, the fourth channel has 3 zip ties. So it'll make it really easy to be able to connect these up to it and then over here to the connection without having to turn the controllers on and off and see which one is which channel. So this will go to channel 1. Channel 1 is going to be on the far left. It's going to be this branch up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug all these. Oh, well, that was easy. That was easy. That is channel 1. I plug those in. I'm going to go do these so they dangle. So I'm going to put them in the crotch of the tree and then just let them hang down so that it helps out with the water. Wondering if this is channel 2. No, I don't think so. That's channel 4. That's channel 2. Well, maybe that'll be 4. This will be 3. Hello, Leo. Hey, Leo. Kitty, kitty, kitty. This is Leo. This is our Christmas kitty. He absolutely loves, Leo, kitty, absolutely loves zip ties. So maybe a little camera shy. But Leo is our Christmas kitty. He loves Christmas decorating. Whenever I'm out here, he wants to be a part of it. Loves it when I play with cords and lights and strings and zip ties. It's one of his favorite things. All right, let's find channel 2 again. So this is going to be channel 2. We got to find that one. It's going to have a brown cord on it. There we go. There's channel 2. So we've got channel 2 hooked up. Let's see where channel 3 is. Well, that's going to be channel 4. So that means this one is channel 3. So we'll get him connected. Again, we'll come over the crotch so it can dangle. Channel 4 will be our last one. At the same spot. All right, so those are now in the correct order. And I'm going to go through. I can move our main power out of the way. Harness with them. Make sure they're out of the way. All those cords are tied up. Go. Lay them right underneath the step so it's not a tripping hazard. And we can just wrap our cords up here conveniently on the hose rack that's there. There we go. Out of sight. Plugs are in the air. Excellent. All right, there you go. That is plugging in the pink tree, and this is the tree that my daughter wrapped. So she wanted to do a white and pink tree, and this is hers. Anyway, hope you're enjoying yourself and learning something. Ag Teacher Christmas out.